Advocate Abdul Qayyum Akhtar, General Secretary, All India Milli Council. I am Mumtaz Alam Flahi, TruthService.net Delhi correspondent. Here in Jaipur, I am talking to you on the issues of Muslim community. My first question, Advocate Abdul Qayyum, what are the major issues and problems the Muslim community in Jaipur is facing today?
Main problem, main issue is the backwardness. Backwardness in the field of education, economics and social. It is already stated in such a committee. But why I support the most backwardness is in political field. We are lag behind so much. We don't understand in what way we are to contribute in the modern politics. We are just trying secular forces to come out and just simply giving a vote. We are treating it this is a politics, but this politics is not. We are to teach our brothers, awaken our fellow men. Politics, all these things are flowing from politics.
Right.
We are to very much mature, to be matured enough not to participate in the voting, but in all process of the politics.
Around last Lok Sabha election, All India Milli Council had taken out a national campaign about Muslim political awareness.
Yes.
What was its positive result in Rajasthan, in Jaipur?
It's a very, very positive result, not only parliament, assemblies and even in this local self elections. The people are coming up. On the request of the Milli Council, they are coming up and they are polarizing their weight in favor of Congress, only for secular and democratic values. They establish all these things.
Right.
But this is not enough. We have to make ourselves in a way to become force that Congress should realize that support of the Muslims are very much important. Recently, 2 articles appeared in Times of India that the percentage of the Muslims is only sole reason to win over the election. Second thing is appearing that wherever Muslims are voting for Congress, they are winning. Where people are neglecting Congress, they are losing.
Right.
But we are not in a position to convey all these things to our Congress brothers.
Advocate Qayyum Akhtar, now we come to education. It is said that Muslims in Jaipur are around 20 to 30%, but they are very backward in the field of education. There are very few professors in this city, Muslim professors. What is the major reason for educational backwardness of Muslim community in Jaipur?
No, I am happy to speak that now people are coming, that we have arranged a very wide program for modernization of madrasa. Now people are coming up, people are sending to these schools, madrasas. They are getting education of modern plus Dini Talim. But we are very much happy. Now people are coming up for education. They are spending money over the education of their children. Now the backwardness is removing slowly but gradually.
Right. Last question. What is your view about the economic condition of Muslims in Jaipur?
That is very bad. That is very bad. That is the only thing. No concern till today is coming forward to improve the system for upliftment of the economic situation. That is very sad. No activities going on, no joint activities are going on. Everybody is thinking about education, everybody is thinking about other things, Dini Talim like that, but they are not least bothered about their economic position. This is also sole reason for lagging behind.
Right. It is said that Muslims today in Jaipur are living in ghettos.
Of course, we are living ghettos for years together. But when the position of improving economic position or educational position, if improved, then and then we can come out. It is not a simple way, just speak to about ghetto. People are coming up because it looks that there are no colonies, there are no system. People are living on the old city in density, heavy density, but they are not coming up only because they don't have any courage, any incentive, any need arising, they are just living without any what do you say about any estimation, but for new generation, if they are getting education, if their position of economic is improved, definitely they will come out.
If we talk about approach of government to Muslim community, so how would you compare between the BJP government and today's Congress government?
Definitely there is a lot of things. We can speak to the government very frankly. Recently, when the last days we spoke about our education backwardness and the scholarship program announced, we went to door to door, but they have rejected all these scholarship programs. They were least bothered about the Muslim community's affair. What do you talk about the development? What do you talk about the progress? They are least bothered about Muslims. In comparison to that, Congress are listening. Congress is doing the things better, though our pressure is not very much listening, very much taken up. In which way we want to have, because we are voting en masse, so definitely we want to have a priority to solve our problem.
Last and brief question: what is the ray of hope do you think coming from the Muslim community today in Jaipur?
We are very much hopeful. We are very much optimistic. We are very much progressive. If we do something, actually results will prevail, results will come, and people will improve their position in the field of education, in the field of economic. If activities, as combined activities is going on, definitely it will bring results.
Do you find any signs of any symbols of bright future of the Muslim community here?
Of course, there are. Because when we compare the data about education, to compare about though recently there is a slum and all the where, but people are coming up to improve their position. We are very much hopeful. A united efforts are to be done, which is like negligible, rather that is not available. But in education, people are coming up. Recently the scholarship program announced. We are going to avail the opportunity in big way.
Thank you very much.